Hello everyone. Welcome to a video tutorial on how to configure settings for your Pettycash instance and set up various masters before you start creating vouchers in Pettycash applications. Click on the Settings menu to configure your preferences before you start entering various vouchers. If you are an Indian firm, you may prefer to use date, month and year format, that is DD, YYYY. If you are using this in the United States, you may choose the DD, YYYY format. Suppose you are using the application from India or Nepal, you will prefer to have numbers representation in lakhs and crores. If you are from the United States or other nations, you may choose to represent more significant numbers in millions and billions. You can set your currency as rupee, dollar, yen, or any other, and you have to enter respective subunit currency name. When you create the Pettycash application instance, default values will be Rupee and Paise. Pettycash application mainly involves receipt, expense, and advance voucher entries. However, if you prefer to call these transactions with some other name, you may change the transactions caption. After you make the necessary changes in settings, save the setting. You have to create master entries before you start making the voucher entry. There are 4 masters in Pettycash application. Pettycash account. If your organization is managing Pettycash in more than one place, that is, if more than one accountant is handling Pettycash, you can create different Pettycash accounts for each of the accountants. Narration. When you create an expense voucher, you will usually generalize the expense voucher with some typical caption. For example, if you're spending money under staff welfare for the birthday celebration, you may wish to narrate that expense as birthday celebration expenses. Create all such narrations under Narration Master. Expense head. If you create expense vouchers in an organized way, you can get excellent reports. Expense heads or accounts heads are the items under which you book the expense to get accurate information later. For example, if rupees 500 is spent for birthday party items and same person spends rupees 50 on a specific day for travel, expense voucher will be showing an amount of rupees 550. While you make the expense voucher, you have to mention rupees 500 under staff welfare and rupees 50 under travel. When you finally generate the report, you can get the account head-wise report by making proper entries in the expense voucher. Receiver Master. The persons who receive money against an expense voucher is receiver. You have to enter receiver's name in Receive Master. Deleting any of the masters is very simple. Click on the dustbin icon next to any master entry. The system will delete the entry if you confirm the deletion when it prompts you to confirm the deletion. However, if you have used any of the master entries already, the application will not delete the entry. If you want to edit any master entries, click on the pen icon and edit the entry. In this video tutorial, you have learned how to set up your Pettycash Office Anywhere instance and pass master entries. In the next video, you will learn how to create receipt, expense, and advance vouchers.